I said yesterday that Martin Luther once said that he is afraid lest schools become the very gates of hell.
Uma ngokukhuthala okukhulu kungaqoshwanga izwi lenkosi enhlizweni zothisha nengane zesikole,
Unless they diligently labor to explain the Holy Scriptures and engrave them in the hearts of the youth.
ivangeli laletha ukukhanya emhlabeni,
The gospel brought light into the world.
lisuse kuzoba mnyama bhuqe, inga ikole kube izindawo zobufebe, ingane zenu zizala ingane zasematakisini, ziphele intombi, kuphele ubunsizwa. La kungekho ivangeli lodwa eliletha ukukhanya emhlabeni.
Remove the gospel from our schools, and all you have is darkness once again. Teenage pregnancies. The schools will become places of sexual immorality. The only real light is through the gospel.
Konke okuhle sinakho ngenxa yevangeli.
All the good things we have is because of the gospel.
Konke ukukhanya okukhona ngenxa yevangeli.
All the light we have is from the gospel.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah owaba owoqala nga eAfrika owaletha inkululeko esiyaziyo sithi inkululeko besho ukukhululeka kubamhlophe.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was the first leader to lead a revolution against colonialism and bring independence, as we now call it, in Africa.
Wafundisa wathi funani kuqala umbuso wopolitiki, ngaphandle kwalokho asinakulungelwe lutho.
He said, seek first the political freedom, for without that we will get nothing.
Amangisa suka phuma keGhana hamba.
And so the British then left Ghana and handed it over.
Kodwa uNkrumah akabusanga isikhathi esikhulu. Emva kweminyaka emibili emithathu wakhafulwa umhlaba wakubo nabantu bakubo ebalwele inkululeko. Kanti bengazi ukuthi ayikho inkululeko ngaphandle kukaJesu Kristu emhlabeni.
Nkrumah himself was then, just a few years later, having ruled a short time, expelled by the very people that he said he brought independence to. There was a coup d'etat. He should have known that there is no real freedom without the gospel.
Esuke zingela abazalwane abantu abakholwayo waze waxoshwa embusweni lowo owaqanjwa uyena.
He suppressed Christendom, and then the very independence he brought threw him out, and he was expelled.